Hi, my name's Anna and I'm from the Decent Innovation Gym, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a basic pillowcase. This is super easy and a very beginner-friendly project, so I hope you can give it a try. So I'm going to start by ironing and washing my fabric, and then just folding it in half with the pattern side facing each other. So I'm going to be pinning and cutting on the wrong side of the fabric. I'm taking a pillowcase for the pillow I want to use, and I'm going to use that as a pattern. You can also use the pillow if you don't have a case for it already, but you also have to account for the girth of the pillow and everything. So this is just easier. I'm just pinning it to the fabric and making sure to go through both layers. And now I'm just going to cut alongside, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch for a seam allowance. I'm cutting about 2 inches on the side I want to do my hem on, because you need a hem so you can be able to stuff the pillow back in. And now we're going to go ahead and sew this together. So I just kept the same configuration and just pinned the fabric off from the default pillow template. And now I'm just going to sew alongside and keep the edge of the fabric guided with the pressure foot. Make sure you leave one of the sides open so you can put the pillow back in. And this needs to be the side that you left the extra 2-inch hem on. Once you sew all the sides together, I went ahead and pressed all the seams flat so I could do the rolled hem. I also pressed the rolled hem into place with my iron. This is a very important step to get a clean finish, especially if you're going to be sewing over the hem for the main pillow. So I just did a double roll back. I wasn't able to get this on video, but this is just me sewing in that hem. So I'm sewing in the part around the top of it, and I'm also sewing another line, top stitch line, down towards the base of the pillow on the hem, just to secure it in place better. And now your pillowcase should be done. Now you just have to turn it inside out and stuff a pillow in it. Now you can get a better view of what the hem looks like finished. You can use white thread. I just chose to use black because of the bees. But yeah, it's super easy and very customizable for whatever pillow you want to use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.